Hi, I'm farm-to-table chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and today we're talking about how to use eggshells around tomato plants. So eggshells are a great way to add calcium and nutrients to your tomato plant, as well as curbing blossom end rot and being a natural slug repellent. So I've just collected my eggshells. You can either do the raw eggshells or hard-boiled, whatever you're eating in your kitchen is fine. And I rinse them out after I collect them, and I just leave them in the sun to dry. I'm just going to place them in a plastic bag. I'm just going to take the eggshells and give them a real good scrunch. And once they're all scrunched up like that, I'm just going to sprinkle them around my tomato plant. I'm going to use about a cup. And then I'm just going to take my little trolley thing and I'm going to just work them in like this. And then I'm just going to water them in so they can get settled and start breaking down and adding nutrients and calcium to my tomato. I'm farm-to-table chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and that is how to use eggshells on tomato plants. Thank you for watching.